Who doesn't want more time in their dance or theatre school, right? It's one of the biggest things I hear dance teachers say all the time. I just need more time. I got some solutions for you. Hey, my name is Sarah. I am founder of The Dance Den. I am a dance and theatre business coach, and I help dance and theatre school owners to grow and scale their businesses on their terms so that they can have more freedom and more profit in their life. So I release a video every week. So please hit subscribe and please follow me and support my YouTube channel. That would be awesome. All right. Let's get cracking on some tools that's going to help you save you lots of time in your business. Now, I run a mastermind program, and one of my ladies asked me in the mastermind program, what wording do you use to entice people on to your e-marketing program? And I was like, well, I could go back and dig that out. However, let's ask ChatGPT. Now, if you haven't come across AI yet, or if you're not using AI yet, then you are missing out a trick. Now, this comes from someone who, when a new program comes out and a new fad or a new fandangled whatever comes out, I'm one of those people that just go, yeah, I'll get to it. It's just another thing I gotta learn, right? And it's just, and then there's time. I don't have time to go and learn it and all the rest of it. Learn ChatGPT, please. Oh my gosh, it will save you so much time, and it can do so many things for you. You can train it. So you fill out a load of questions and you can say, this is like the voice I want to use, or this is about my business. This is what we do. So that when you went, so in the example of my mastermind lady, you could go in and you could say, just write me the wording, just literally do wording from a dance school perspective of why it's a good thing that people should be on my e-marketing list. And because they already know the premise of what your dance school is about, then it's very easy for them just to go, okay, ChatGPT just shoots it out. And it shot out this huge long paragraph, and I went, make this shorter. Boom, 3 lines. And she went, that's brilliant. And I went, yep. Now imagine that writing your social media posts for you. Imagine it writing your exam letters or your show handbook for you. Yeah, there is lots it can do. Lots and lots it can do. So go in and have a play, all right? And you'll be surprised what it comes up with, all right? So that's the first one that's going to save you an awful lot of time. Now, the next one, I'm just looking at my notes that I really like, is called GPTXL.UK. I'm going to drop all of these at the bottom for you guys, like that. What this does is give you coding for Excel sheets. Now, I'm not great at Excel sheets. However, just think about this, right? Okay, when you say you've got a competition team, and of course, every competition's rules are different. You know, age categories of when they go into the next age group depends on, maybe it's the 1st of January, maybe it's their birthday, maybe it's the competition date. And you're going to spend ages figuring this out based on their birthday. Yes, you can go to Google. Yes, there's apps that you can use that can quickly do this. But what if your Excel spreadsheet could do it for you? Well, that would be a right old head for me, okay? I'd be like, I don't even know where to start on the coding for that. But GPTXL.co.uk can do it for you. And how much time would that save you? Every competition entry, not having to figure out everybody's birthday again, because it's automatically there in the spreadsheet for you. Brilliant! All right, let's give you one more. Let's choose this one. giftbox.co. It is an AI gift finder. So how many times have I seen in these different Facebook groups, people going, I've got all these assistants I've got to buy gifts for and I don't know what to buy them. It'll figure it out for you. How about that, right? You've even got AI that'll figure out your travel plans. Yeah. Yeah, you just say, oh, I want to go on holiday to Dubai. And it'll go, you need to go here and you need to go there and you need to take this bus and do this and that or whatever. Like, it's insane. Love it or hate it, AI is here to stay. Okay, and it can simplify and ease the workload that you're doing. You've just got to be aware of what is out there, and then you've also got to think, how can I use this to help my business? This does not negate or take away from copywriters who are phenomenal at their job and do the deep dive into what you do. And if you want to go down that route, absolutely do it. They're worth their weight in gold. And when you get this stuff from like ChatGPT, you're going to have to read it through and potentially humanize it or make it sound more like you. So there are elements, it's not going to take it all away from you, but it can help you. All right. So don't forget to subscribe and follow for all my future videos. They come out weekly, and I'll see you on the next one.